Ji adek manyocha ochwalo bura mar dwaro golo oko e apisi Komishonas 4 mag duol mochung' ne yiero pacho kaende men IEBC ochopo e nyim komiti moting'o jakanyo 9 ma bende nono Komishonas go. Okil Geoffrey Langat Zachary Matayo ma en jakanyo e duond bura mar Republican kachiel Owuor Steve wacho ni Komishonas ne odhi ataro mar chik. To kata kamano Komishona Irene Masit manochung'ne gi Donald Kipkorir okwedo weche makamago. Komishonas go adek Juliana Cherera, Justus Nyang'aya kachiel gi Francis Wanderi nyaka sani osegwe tao e apisi.
In the findings of the Supreme Court on the two issues, are you aware that they did not find Irene Masit, the commissioner, culpable in any way?
Chair,
findings.
In answering that question, it depends on the prayers, but at the end of the day, there was no adverse finding on all the commissioners, and specifically Irene Masit.
Are you asking whether there is any specific incident?
I want him to confirm, Chairman,
yes,
that there is no one single paragraph that he has specifically mentioned that Irene as individually, separately.
That's not true. I mean, if he's making reference to the Serena presser and your client is present at that presser, why would you want to remove her from that presser? And that's what he's been emphasizing.